In this short video, I will show how to do file format conversion in IBM Cloud Object Storage. We will convert a CSV file to different file formats such as Avro, Parquet, and so on. First, let's create a first version of the working job and then evolve from there. That's the file format conversion in COS. Let's give that as the data flow name. Then let's create the data flow. So we'll continue to use the asset browser to find the file that I want to work with. So find the Cloud Object Store, find this namespace. This is the file that I want to work with. Okay, the original CSV file, let's add to canvas. Next, let me add copy stage so that I can write it to different output. Then let me add pick stage so that I can print out the content. So from here, let me add asset browser to define the target I want to go to. So I want to go to the same COS bucket, go to the same bucket. Let me pick this bucket. Let me link this source to this target. So let's review this content. So the file name, so this target basically says write to DS demo COS connection. It's in the write mode, write to this bucket. I need to give a file name. Before I give file name, let's look at the file format. First, let's go to Avro. So sales 5K, sales 5K, Avro.avro. I will give an Avro file format, and we will look into other options later. So for now, that should be it. So that's the first file format we want to write to. Now let's write different file format. So what I do is I copy the first one to the second one, so I don't have to use the asset browser to navigate and find the connection and find the bucket and so on. So in this case, I want to write the second file as, let's say, Parquet format. So select the file format as Parquet. Okay, so now I have Parquet as well. So let's play with the third format. In the third format, I may want something different. So let's first select what are the other choice for the file format. So the third format, let's play with SAV. Okay, let's play with the fourth format. In this case, I want to use a delimited file format. So let's give it a try. Delimited. So I'll call it as delimited. Okay, so let's say what kind of delimiter we want to use. Certainly I can use comma, that's what the original file is. Let's use any character and give vertical bar type as a delimiter. Let's see what happens. And I want the first row, first line as header. So let's save this flow. Let's run this flow. Let's look at what has been compiled. it has compiled this pipeline into this script, and the script will be sent to the target for execution. The script contains all sorts of properties that I have specified. So let's see what it is doing. This job is still running. It prints out the version number of each of those connectors that are involved. So it is 6037. Okay, let's wait. Okay, still going on. Okay, still running. Looks like peak already ran successfully. The output is already here. So right now, I think it is finishing up right into those different targets. As soon as it finishes, this job should be done. So let's wait. Okay, this job just finished successfully. So to get confirmation, we can actually preview this file. So let's say, I zoomed. So let me zoom back. So the second file is a parquet file. Let's take this file as an example. I think I defined it as a parquet file. Let's preview this file to see if the preview is successful. If the file output is successful, when we preview, we will make a connection to the file and bring the content back. In this case, it brought back 23 column of 1,000 row, and the file reading is successful. So this proves that file conversion is successful. So with data stage, you can do this sort of thing in a few minutes, very, very easy. Thank you very much for watching.